so the first thing you're going to do is take your spool of thread. Your spools probably have these little plastic lips that you can pull up, and that's where the thread is hiding in there. And then pop the little plastic parts down. So get your thread free, poke it through the center. There's a paper sticker on both sides, just poke it through there. Put your spool cap on, nice and tight. That'll keep it from coming off. I don't understand why that moves. Then you have a guide back here. So you use this around this guide, and then you have a little hooky. Come around the hooky and then behind the circle, okay? There's a picture on your sewing machine to help you. Then your bobbin. There are holes usually on the top and the bottom of your bobbin, and you want to go from in between the two flat pieces of plastic and out one of the holes. So I'm going to go in between the two pieces of plastic and out this hole. I thread. Okay. So I have it going from the inside to the outside. I put it down on the bobbin pin, push the bobbin pin to the right. This little gauge here is going to make it automatically stop when it's full. So I hold this thread to give it some tension, and it will feel like terrible because this came unhooked. So there wasn't any tension on it. That was great. Good job. Thank you.
This is very YouTube worthy.
Very YouTube worthy. You can stop the video.